This is the Seychelles. Absolutely exhausted, sweating, cheap. They don't tell you this, but welcome to the channel, guys. We're in the Seychelles in the Hilton, Labriz, on a small island called the Silhouette Island. I think it's the third biggest island in the Seychelles.
Welcome to Seychelles.
Welcome to Hilton Labriz in Seychelles.
Welcome to the Seychelles. Follow me, let me show you how beautiful this resort is. This is Mahe Photography. Make sure you subscribe. We're in the Seychelles, Silhouette Island. This is the main pool area, and further back over there you've got a jacuzzi, and then you've got a Cafe Duban. Cafe Duban is where you have your breakfast, and then over here you've got a beach, and then there's a bar, and during lunchtime you can have your meals there. You can have lunch here at area, or you can go to the bar, play pool, and get yourself some snacks. And in the evening, they have guest musicians. If you fancy Japanese or the best of Asian cuisine, or even Italian, there's restaurants for that. This is Grann Kaz, one of the restaurants on the Hilton Seychelles. So originally this was the house of the owners of the island. Now it's converted to a restaurant. We had a lovely meal here yesterday. And the type of meals you can get here are the local Creole. There's a museum upstairs where you can see the history of how they lived, how they got here, how they conquered the island, all the slaves from Africa and the spice merchants from India. Don't forget to subscribe to Mahe Photography and share this video.
Myself Ashok.
My name is Shamila. Enjoy Seychelles.
So excuse the sound behind me, but this is the activity center. Paddleboard, tennis, table tennis, mini golf, and you book all the excursions here. at 10 a.m. every day. You can come and feed these beautiful animals. Tortoise feeding at 10 a.m. every single day, so make sure you come over here.
Welcome to Seychelles. This is Mahe photograph.
Okay, so you're asking what can you do on this remote island? Well, you can go hiking, you can feed the tortoise, you can take a bike ride up and down the resort, you can get a buggy, you can go to the sauna, you can get a massage, come here. There's some amazing restaurants here, so you can have Japanese food, you can have the local food, Italian. Make sure you book early. Other excursions in fishing, sunset cruise, diving school where you can go snorkeling.
Welcome to Seychelles.
Sorry, I missed that. Sorry again.
Welcome to Seychelles.
So this is a spa area on the other side of the Hilton Labriz. So you can get a bike or a buggy all the way up here, or it's about 10-15 minutes walk. A walk's better, healthier, and you get the amazing view of the beach. What a view. So for the Hilton customers, we've got a jacuzzi, we've got the sauna, everything else here. Plunge pool is all free. Any massages you want is additional. Check out this spa, absolutely amazing. So if it rains, head over to the spa, hit the jacuzzi, it's boiling. The jungle trail, check this out. Literally no one here. And it's hot. So I've just spent the last hour and a half on the drone. Went to one of the beaches, took lots of videos, dronies, etc. You can also pay for excursions, including hiking with qualified guides, where you see the best of the island, see the oldest tortoise, and meet the only 2 locals that live on the island. Down 1 kilometer, another 2 kilometers to go. So we're in the jungle here, check it out. Team of 11. Let's see where this leads us. Alright, so we've made it to our first stopping point, viewpoint. Right, so it's been 3 hours, maybe 3.5 hours, I'm not sure, in this jungle in Silhouette Island. And finally, I think we've our destination. Absolutely exhausted, sweating, cheap. Whoops. Gonna have to go now. It's too difficult to film and walk. They don't tell you this, but biggest tip I can give you here is, see this ferry here? As a Hilton customer, if you're staying here for a few weeks, you can take the ferry to Mahe. It leaves at 8:30, comes back at 4, so you need to be at the jetty about half an hour, 15 minutes beforehand. Plan out your day. It's a free trip into Mahe on the ferry. You can head over to reception and they'll book you a cab and a driver who will take you around the island, show you all the best places to go into Mahe. Make sure you subscribe, share and hit that like button. If you go on the website, you can download all the menus, check out all the prices, have a good look, convert it and look at your budget. It's something that we didn't do until we got here, so I can almost say we were trapped here, but we made the most of it. Food was absolutely amazing. So would I recommend Silhouette Island? If you got the budget, definitely come here. The food, the people are absolutely amazing. The beaches are top notch and they're all clean, and especially the far end of the beach. It's one of the most beautiful beaches I've been. Very, very, very picturesque. I flew the drone out there. The videos are top notch. The weather's been a bit hit and miss. First week we've had a lot of rain, but the second week it's been really hot. Make your itinerary so you can go to Mahe for a few days and then travel up to the other two islands, especially Labriz. So what's the disadvantages of coming to Silhouette Island? The only thing I would say is make sure you look at the menus and the prices and then work out if you can afford to come here, because it is very, very expensive. We didn't realize how expensive until we got here. The Hilton Labriz, what a place. Thumbs up. This is Mahe photography in Seychelles, Silhouette Island. This is the Hilton Labriz. Make sure you subscribe, share and hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, share and hit that like button.